Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to remove all the tagged posts on Facebook at once. So let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner. After that, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. After that, just scroll down. Then tap on Activity Log. After that, tap on Your Facebook Activity. Then scroll down and tap on Activity you are tagged in. After that, tap on Photos and Videos you are tagged in. Here you can see all the posts, photos and videos that you are tagged in on Facebook. You can delete all the tagged posts from here. If you want to delete a single tagged post, simply tap on the three dots of the selected post. Then tap on Remove Tag. After that, tap on Remove. Now the tag post has been removed successfully. And if you want to remove all the tagged posts at once, then check the Select option. It will select all the posts. Then tap on Remove Tag button. After that, tap on Remove. Now all the tagged posts will be removed from your profile on Facebook. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.